Hello, welcome to my video. Today, let's learn unusual sentences and contractions. One of contractions is have. It's a word that I can use for to say tener and is also is auxiliary. For example, I can to use to complement on pronouns. For example, I, that. Okay, one example is the sentences normally is I have to travel to Canada. Okay, one with contraction it is if to travel to Canada. This meaning that I replace have and contract the word and is that and it is followed if to travel to Canada. Okay. Second word is about to pronounce. This is one of the most important to words and that we use in the speaking English. Okay, for example, here some pronouns I, you, he, she, it, you, they, with her respective verb to be. In this case is I am, you are, he, she, he, she, it, is, we are, you are, they are. With contraction, it is follows. I'm, your, his, she's, it's, where, your, there. Okay, the negative form is I am not, you are not, it is not, she is not, it is not, we are not, you are not, they are not. Contraction negative, it is all following. I'm not, you aren't, he isn't, she isn't, it isn't, we aren't, you aren't, and they are. Okay, tears word is give me. Okay, that word to meaning to dar anything. Or for example, in these sentences, to say give me a little of your love. With contractions, follow give me a little of your love. Okay, this meaning that I join two words and these two words, give and me, and to follow give me. Okay, these contractions to say in the old time in the songs are the people of the other country to use this contraction all time. Okay, first words is going to. It is words very special and very common in the vocabulary. It is future. There is two way to say for to say in future, going to and will, and to serving to the future. Okay, in this moment I'm going to talk about going to. For example, in this word, in this sentence is I'm going to buy some more. Okay, and this follow I'm gonna to buy some more, and this meaning that I join but words going and to, and this remain gone. Okay, I'm gonna to buy some more. Is a word that I have looking in the songs and in the any conversations in any conversation of the other people in the other countries. Okay, and the in the last word is out of. Out of. Okay. In this sentence, to say I am out of coffee. Okay, in these sentences there are two contractions. For example, in pronoun and verb to be, there is a contraction and out of coffee. Okay, entonces then remains here. I am this contraction I'm out of coffee. Okay, that is contraction out of coffee. I am out of coffee. I'm out of coffee. I am out of coffee. I'm out of coffee. Okay, thank you so much for your attention. I liked my video. Goodbye.